Hello, 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 everyone. It's me. It's your girl, Sia Knight. I am the Mobile Notary Mentor, and I am back. I wanted to kind of make a quick video. It won't be too long, but I wanted to touch base with the audience. I know that there are some of you who've just found my videos. Welcome. Some of you have been rocking with me for a while now. Glad to see you back. And I wanted to just kind of touch base as to kind of where I've been. This is my first video in, I want to say at least like a couple of months. And before then, I had a content calendar. I was making videos at least once a week. I was, my notary business was thriving, as well as my notary training business as well. That was going well. Everything was going well. Everything was all good, as we would say back in the 80s and 90s. But I have taken a step back, as some of you have noticed. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to come out. There are a couple people who are on my channel. Some people in real life are saying, hey, Sia, how are you? What's going on? Haven't heard from you in a while. Let me just say that at the beginning of 2021, I did a new notary workshop every month for the first 6 or 7 months. I was doing notarizations. I was working full time. In addition to that, I had to take a step back, y'all. I had to take a step back. And the full reason why is that I just needed to take a breath, not run myself into the ground. I needed to take some time and get some perspective. I like doing all of these things, and they're so wonderful. And I love my students, and I have this mastermind that's going well, and I love that. But it's time. Oh, it's time for me to focus. Hold on. Is that me? Hold on. It kind of feels like my life towards the end of the summer. I just could not find focus. I was doing too much. I was doing too much. And I had to decide that it was time for me to take a step back. And it's interesting because I evoked the name Simone Biles. I'll talk about Naomi Osaka. I'll talk about some of the other folks who kind of in the public eye have decided to kind of put the brakes on. And not just because of that, but kind of in the spirit of that, I decided it was just time for me to slow down a little bit, because what I didn't want life to do is to slow me down. Okay, I had to take care of myself, I've got a full-time job. I changed jobs, so that's new and exciting. So I'm kind of getting that secure. My notary training business was great, but I had decided that I wasn't going to do the monthly new notary workshops. However, here's my caveat. I decided I would do one more chance. In the words of Biggie Smalls, I am doing one in a few days. So if you're seeing this real time, September 25th, 2021, in the year of our Lord, or your Lord, or whoever you choose to worship, I'm not judging. I am going to do a new notary workshop. I am keeping the numbers very small. I am going to go out with a bang one last time. And then I will reassess to find out whether or not I will bring back those workshops for 2022. Actually, let me stop lying. I don't know. I don't know if I'll bring them back. So if you're interested, the link's down in the comments section, not the comment section, in the description. See, it's been that long since I've done videos, right? So I just wanted to kind of touch base, talk a little bit about kind of how I'm doing. I'm doing fine. I have just decided to kind of take some time out for self-care and to kind of put the brakes on. And I'm going to come out with one more new notary workshop. So tell your friends if they were ever interested in taking the new notary workshop, this is the last time it will be offered in 2021. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for the comments and the inquiries, everybody. I appreciate it. It's glad to know that, somebody's out there. Oh, it kills me that this ring light reflects on my glasses, but oh well. So again, this is stuff that once you've been off camera for a while, you forget those things. But thank you once again, everybody. And until next time, as I always say, happy signing. Bye.